Ooh, I saw her in every song, in every wrong. Beautiful to see the world that way. You'll say yes to anything, believe in what they say. Take a walk with your ultraviolets that fill my soul. Your ultraviolet. And every time I know the truth, speaking one way between me and you, and I'm fine on my own. Swallow this song to serenade the ultraviolets all alone. She knows everything there is to know, and of course she does. Just smile and hush.
Excuse the bedhead. I just woke up. I didn't just wake up. I woke up at 8, but I just like got out of bed and started doing things. I have some exciting, cool new stuff that I want to share with you guys. I was currently just packing up these orders. So I got an order for one of our cards, and then I got an order for a few of our stickers as well. So I'm gonna make sure that these go out today, but I love packing orders. I think that's my favorite part about this small business, is putting all of my love and care into each order. But anyway, I have some super exciting news that I want to share with you guys. For the longest, I think I mentioned on this channel that I wanted to start doing apparel. So I wanted to make t-shirts and I wanted to add clothing items to my shop, and it's finally happening. So this week my beanies that I ordered came in, and I actually have one here already. This one is gonna be mine, so I'm gonna use this for like the photos and everything. These are probably my favorite beanies because they fit to your head really nicely, and they're also very warm but very breathable. Let me show you it on. Obviously I don't have any makeup on and I just woke up, but this is how it looks. Not sure if you guys can really see the color because of the sunlight right now, but super cute. You guys can see my acne though. Not trying to flip you off either. I'm like anyway, I'm really happy with these beanies. I was a little bit bummed out that they didn't have black in stock, so I got this charcoal gray, and I'm actually really happy with the color. I think it's really nice. I am going to brand these with the Soul Surfing logo on them. So I got these label tags off of Etsy, but I'm a little bummed out too because the version of proof that I accepted wasn't sent to me. It was the original one that I didn't accept, so I'm kind of bummed out about that. I'm gonna see if I can get like a refund or something. I basically wanted to put a little Soul Surfing tag on the beanie here so that it's branded as Soul Surfing. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I also bought some t-shirts, so those are coming. I'm expecting those to come. I need to check on the tracking for those, and then I might go to the gym and do some other stuff, so I'll take you guys along with me. So having your own small business means that you pretty much have to do everything by yourself. So I'm taking some photos of these tote bags that I have. I think I only have 2 more. So if you're watching this, they might still be in stock, so you can get one from my website or my Etsy. So what I'm trying to do is take photos of the product. Maybe I can actually use these. I'll just kind of pose video, hoping that it's looking good. Okay, there's that.